Hey lovely people, today I'm going to show you how to make grapefruit mocktail. It's simple, it's gorgeous, and of course packed with health benefits. Grapefruit is low in calories yet high in nutrients. It provides a decent amount of fiber in addition to more than 15 beneficial vitamins and minerals. It also has weight loss and skin benefits. You're going to love it. First of all, add in ice to a glass or a goblet in which you're going to make this gorgeous mocktail. Shake it to make the goblet chill. Remove the ice and rub a wedge of lemon on its rim. Here I have some colored caster sugar. Generously coat the rims of your goblet with it and set aside. In a shaker or a mocktail maker, add 100 ml of grapefruit juice, (25 ml of sugar syrup), 50 ml of lychee juice, generous quantity of ice, give it a good shake. Line the goblet with a slice of grapefruit and pour in the prepared mocktail. Add in about 150 milliliters of club soda or Sprite to it. Add in a stick of grapefruit pieces, some fresh mint leaves, and a curl of grapefruit skin. To add some more aroma to our gorgeous mocktail, I'm going to warm up some of the oils from this skin of grapefruit. Look at the oil spraying out. Sit down, relax, and enjoy this super refreshing mocktail. Make this for yourself and your loved ones. Hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give it a like. And let me know in the comments below which of the recipes you'd like to see featured here on Passion Bistro. Until next time, stay safe, eat healthy.